This has been the most crazy half an hour of nature photography in a while, because there is now, I have seen an owl, some really cool, nice little birds at the bird feeding station. And as I walked, I just looked up at one of the trees, and then I saw something above that in the sky. And there's a white-tailed eagle. I've seen other people's photos from this location of the eagle. I think there's two that live close by. But like, to see such a beautiful bird is kind of breathtaking. And I hope the photos turned out okay. But this is what it looked like.